My name is Ariel, and this is my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a look for the Halloween series, and today I'm going to be Catwoman. I was inspired by just like a classic Halloween. People do it differently. This time I'm going for more of a red tone. It comes off a little poison ivy-ish, but it was the wig I was wearing, and I was like, everyone does the black smoky eye with the red lip all the time. At one point I wanted to try on lashes, but I realized I don't know how to try on lashes, so we'll try that another time. But this look, we're gonna start off with makeup, and then we're going to have the full look with wig and everything. Stay tuned. Why did I do the snap? I used to do a snap. Yeah, maybe it's not new. It's not new every day. It's a new channel, new stuff. So I'm starting my face off with the Hourglass Veil Primer, and I end up reapplying that again. I'll explain that why later. Now I'm going to use Living My Best red color from Jaclyn Hill's. I'm patting that on. It's very saturated red, so I don't want no fallout. Then I'm using Temptress to shape out the kind of sketch of what kind of cat eye I want, of like a smoky effect. I'm using a cardboard piece of anything I found, I don't know what it was, and I'm just shaping it out to the kind of desired shape I want. It's a little messy, but you know, Catwoman, she wasn't the most sleekest kind of depicted character you would see. It would be messy, but it kind of worked in her favor. Then I'm patting more of Living My Best because I don't want to lose that red hue while I'm smoking out more black. It's kind of this look is more black, red, going back and forth. Now I added a little more of Empowered in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I wanted kind of different dimensions of red, not just one flat red color, and blending it out with a little more black to make it more seamless. Now I'm using Melania's I Heart You metallic bake eyeshadow to add a nice little shimmer to it, and you know, nothing wrong with a little shimmer. I'm using it in the corner of my eyes and the bottom eyelash, and blending it out a little bit. Now I'm using Wet n Wild's black waterproof eyeliner just to shape it out. One thing I like about smoky eyes, if your cat eye looks a mess, you can't tell. Now I'm adding a little more Empowered from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and now I'm using the Red Bond's dark brow pencil to shape out my eyes. I'm going for something more stronger and natural brow shape. Then I reapply the Hourglass, and now I'm using e.l.f. Camo Concealer Hydrating Concealer. I like this concealer. It's a little light sometimes, but at this point, since I didn't get a tan this summer, no big deal. I'm blending it out. I look a little ghostly, but it's fine. I blended out my eyes, and it's a little hard to blend it out when you have eyeshadow on your lower lash. I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark, the powder one, not the cream one. And I've used a little tad of the middle sculpting shade on my cheekbones and my forehead, and then I'm using the highlighting shade in my peak area of my face. I'm using the contour shade to sculpt up my nose, and now for the red lipstick, I'm using Fenty's Censored, and I like this color really a lot. Like, it's very pigmented, it's the kind of tone of red I wouldn't really grab towards. I liked it, the Riri Woo matte lipstick, but I really like this one. It's very pigmented, it's a little red. And I just dusted off a little more of the palette. Now I'm struggling with these contacts. I've done it before last Halloween. I wore the same outfit, but no matter how many times, I'm not a contact wearer, so I was struggling and I dropped it. Just struggling. At one point, I really, took off my wig to put it on because my hair was all on my face. Because I could get it on, put my gloves on. I showed different ways of putting on the mask, and I have a second mask from Amazon. I like this more. The first mask is fine, but if you have wig, hair, it doesn't fit that properly well. I'm showing you how I put the Catwoman mask on right now and how it fits with nothing on your head. Now this is me with the full ensemble with the whips, the gloves, the mask from Amazon, the corset, and the boots from Forever 21. I liked these boots because they were seamlessly fake patent leather with it, and it was just perfect. I lost maybe 15 pounds, so it doesn't fit me as tight as it used to, this outfit, but still fun. Oh, crack that whip. This ain't happening. Let's first do a YouTube video where Ariel try to learn how to put on eyelashes. We're gonna do that. So that was my look for this Halloween series. It's Catwoman. A little remix, a little more on the red instead of all just doing all black, smoky black eye, and just only red lip. I was like, this is a hair on the rock. Let me try to see if it's honestly giving me Poison Ivy vibes, but I like it. I like it. Anyway, that's it for today. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you again. Ariel, going home, eat tea, phone out. Peace.